adding a post with Elementor. So click on the post on the left side of the menu, then you can click add new, and then you should be redirected into the builder, WordPress builder. Or the other way is to click on the plus button here and then click post. Then you should be redirected into the same builder. Then you can tweak the settings here on the right side on your liking. You can check for the details here. And then first is you need to add a title of your post, and then once you're done, then you can click on the edit with Elementor. Then you should be redirected into the Elementor builder, where you will add your content and all the necessary stuff that you want to add in your post. So in the builder itself, you can see on the left side there are a lot of elements that you can add into your post. So the next thing that we will do is to set up the environment for your post. First is you can either go and select a predefined page or a predefined template if you have some. So Elementor has also some pages have for you. Then you can add section, and then you can start adding the elements that you want. So first we will try to add a text editor. So you see the blue border, it should be selected, and on the left side you can edit the content. Then next we can try to add a button, and so we'll try to edit the content here, and then like so. And also we can change that one. So it should be updated, and then you can add a bunch of elements here. Then if you're done, then you can update and take a look in your post. And as you can see, all the things that we have is added here.